Hey everyone, how you guys are doing? I think you are doing really well. And welcome back to my today's session regarding basic data type and output. Last time we had discussed about uh, introduction of Java, and I discussed very basic details of it. And I just wanted to recap of the last session. So Java is case sensitive, meaning it care about uppercase and lowercase letter. And to display text on the screen, you need to put inside a double quotation mark, and the parenthesis, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, and the curly braces should always be in pair. To show what type of data you have, use always print statement. For print data, it display the output and move to the next line when you press enter key. Statement with comments, single line comment and multiple line comments, which is ignored by the compiler. And today, I would share the operator, and I would share the knowledge with operator and what is operator and what is operand, and I can show you in the IntelliJ ID. So here, 1 plus 2 as is very simple concept that everyone know that what is operator and operands. Here, plus and multiplication is our operator, and operand is 1 2 3 2, right? And how you can how you get, what is the priority of the operator that you can see on the next section. So there are two type of number, one is decimal and integer. So the number having decimal point, which is decimal value, so below are the mentioned number is a decimal number, and integer where you will not find a decimal point. 6 5 4 3, this is a single number, so this number called integer. Some point you need to remember, which is when we divide integer in Java, we will get only quotient. Let's say if you divide 12 by 6, then the number which we got, that is called quotient. And dividing integer by 0 is not possible, we will get error. System will show you an error. So I can show you in under IntelliJ. So I have created one class called operator, and here I am writing the main function, public static, sorry, public static void main string args. So this is our main function. Under my main I can type string system dot out dot println. So here I'll type some number divided by 0. When I'm trying to see the output, let me run that main class, main function, and hopefully I'll see the error which we have discussed. So arithmetic exception system review, because I'm just dividing one integer by 0, right? So I'm going to that page. So if I divide 12 by 6, which that I can, I'll got 2 as a quotient, and if you divide 8 by 0, system will get you error. Priority in basic operator. So here you can find and you can show how priority will work in Java for operator. So first, the bracket, what are the operator and operand calculation you have under bracket, that will calculate first, then later rank to come with multiplication and divide, and then summation and subtraction will be occurred. So let me try. And there are a couple of rules you need to remember when you're dealing with operator of the same priority. Let's say rank 2 has multiplication and division, and it is under same priority. So the one appearing on the left will evaluate first. So here 16 by 4 and multiplication 4, then system will take first 16 by 4 calculations, which is 4, and then 4 into 4 equal to 16. Because left will always priority, system will always priority left to right. Okay. And the second rule is when faced with operator of differing priorities, the one with highest priority will be evaluated first. So 5 plus 2 multiplication 3, here as the multiplication has the highest priority, then the first system will calculate 2 cross 3, which is 6, and 6 plus 5, which is 11. The output would be 11, but the output, the system will not take care of summation first. Let's say 5 plus 2 7, and 3 into 7 called 21. 21 will not, system will not, you will not find that result 21, because as the multiplication is the highest priority, it will calculate fast. And when using the plus operator, if one of the operand is text, the two operand are concatenated. Let's say hello world I put here. So plus is here, it concatenating between two operand, right? So you will see that hello world. But let's say when you working with the text operand and you can only use plus operator for operation like concatenation. So here you will not find hello 3 because only concatenation happen when you have the plus symbol. So for multiplication, it will system will show you a error. So as I told that I will discuss about variable declaration and initialization. So here how you can create a variable and how you can assign the value of it, right? So the type name. So what are the variable type you need to declare first, and then name of the variable you need to write, and under line 2 you need to put some value of it into it. Otherwise you can declare in the single line the variable type and variable name and the value you are assigning in the variable. So in line 1 we as I already told what you have, that we declare a variable container with the syntax type name, and we initialize the value variable the line 1 in the declaration steps, and then both declaration and initialization are done together in line 3. So let's say I'm trying to storing an integer. So integer y, so y is a type of integer, and in y is a variable, and I'm assigning 25 into y, and this is called a single line, declaration and initialization. So here integer x equal to 10. That means we have assigning 10 value for into x variable which is integer type. So here in the syntax 2 you can show I can show you that using variable values. So integer y equal to 25, and system will show you that y equal y value is 25. Then this 25 I can utilize to our next calculation and assign that value for x. So I can show you in the integer format. Here let me do that right way, and I can comment line of it, and let's say first I can show you the priority of that operator. So system dot out dot println. Now let's put 9 plus 2 cross 5. So as I told that, let me write here as well. Always multiplication as highest priority. So so the system will show you 5 cross 2 10, 10 plus 9 9 19, right? But system will not show you 9 plus 2 11, 11 into 5 55. Let's see, let me run that. So 19, as I told, 5 cross 2 10, 10 plus 9 19, because multiplication has the topmost priority, right? Let me comment it out this, and let me show you dot println. Let me show you 8 cross 4 divided by 4. So now system will calculate left to right, you know system will calculate from left to right. So as this is on the same level, so 8 cross 4 32, and 32 by 4 8. System will not calculate 4 by 4 1, 8 cross 1 1. So system will show you 8. Let me run this. See 8. So from that we can understand that system, if the rank is same, system always calculate from left to right. This is one thing which is you need to remember. And now I am declaring one variable. Let's say there are two way one integer a equal to integer a semicolon. So I am declaring a variable a is integer type, and then a equal to 10. Now I am printing system dot out dot println. Now I am printing a, and system will give me the value of a variable which is 10. And also there are another way where you can use in the single line a equal to 10. So here you are declaring and initializing 10 in the same line. So also here if I comment out this line, is very basic thing, but sometimes it's good that we can start with basics. Then who don't have that any programming knowledge, they can easily cope up what I'm telling. So and day by day I can increase the complexity of it. So here now I just running that, and let's see what system gives us. It's 10. So now you understand that how there is two way to declare and initialize a variable. One is in single line, another is in two line, right? And now I can show you mm, how concatenation will work. So let me system dot out dot println. So here I am putting hello, putting my name on it one. Here, so here there are two operand. One is hello and another is only one, and in middle I have put plus. So plus is which is work for concatenation of that two operand. So let me run that, and system will show us hello only one and do the concatenation. Let's say you are using system dot out dot print. Let's say you are using one number as well, and you are using plus sign. So it also show you the concatenation between string and operand, string and the integer number. Hello 5, right? But let's say if you are put hello plus, instead of plus, if you put multiplication, and you if you are trying to put one concatenation, that will not work. You will find a bad operand error. See, bad operand type for binary operator, right? So this is about only today's session. So I already showing you a different way, as a summary, I showing you how operator and operand work, and what is operator and operand, and how you can declare the variable, and how you can initialize the variable in the single line, and how concatenation will work. So this is the about today's session, and the session will be very small, and I hope you have understand the topic, as the topic is very simple and very easy. Who doesn't have a programming language background, they also can learn very easily. And Java is very easy language who can start their journey in coding, right? So tomorrow I will tomorrow or whenever I'm free, then I'll share one video, one topic of Java. I hope you guys enjoyed that session. Thank you all. Bye for now.